In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number in Go High Level. Let's make this process as simple and straightforward as possible so you can get back to growing your business. We'll walk through each step meticulously so you're never left scratching your head. First things first, open your preferred browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, just launch it as you normally would. Once your browser is up, go ahead and type in Go High Level into the search bar. Hit enter, and you should see the search results popping up right in front of you. Now, look for the official website, which should be www.gohighlevel.com, and click on it. You'll want to log into your account, so enter your credentials if prompted. If you're already logged in, it might take you directly to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll find the Settings option there. This section of Go High Level is where you manage various configurations. Click on that, and it should open a menu with multiple options. From the Settings menu, scroll or search until you find Phone Numbers. Click on it to open the Phone Numbers page, which is your destination today. Once you're in the Phone Number section, look for the Add Number button. It's usually quite prominent, so click it. A drop-down menu or a dialog might appear. Here, select Add Phone Number. Now, when you're adding a new phone number, you'll need to choose which country this number will be based in. There's usually a drop-down list for this, so just pick the appropriate country. If you have a specific area code in mind or a particular phrase you'd like to include in your number, there's typically a filter option available. This feature is quite handy if you want a number that's easy for your customers to remember. After setting your preferences, you'll browse through a list of available numbers. Take your time here to select a number that suits your business needs. Once you've settled on a number, you'll click on Proceed to Buy to finalize your purchase. This step usually involves a payment process. Be sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete your transaction. Finally, after you've purchased your new phone number, you'll find it listed on your account, ready for immediate use. This means you can start using it for conversations, calls, and text messaging right within Go High Level. And there you have it, the entire process of adding a phone number in Go High Level. With this new number, you're all set to enhance your communication strategy, providing a seamless experience for your clients. Thank you for watching, and happy connecting.